People are making big money with TikTok Shop, Printery, and AI. And they are doing this by selling simple AI-generated design products for free. People are selling iPhone cases, coffee mugs, and even posters, all created with AI technology designs. With millions of people searching for items like this every day, you can make thousands by simply creating a custom design using Leonardo AI, a free AI tool that'll generate images for you, and using Printery to get these items onto your product and then selling them on TikTok to make substantial amounts of money in a short period of time. In this video, I'm going to show you this easy and free step-by-step way you can create and sell any of these products totally free. And you can get started today doing this. I'll even show you how to automate this process, which will make less work for you and more profit in your pockets. This is a great opportunity to make some serious cash, so stick around, you don't want to miss this. But before we get into the video, if you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe so you can stay up to date with the latest money-making opportunities. Now, before we start selling any of these products we discussed, we need to find out what designs are working and what people are searching for right now. So I named a few products that we could sell and create AI-generated designs for, but I'm going to go with coffee mugs for this example. After researching designs for coffee mugs, I found that Star Wars designs are very popular. These specific coffee mug designs sold over $3,000 at $16 a piece. And this coffee mug design has sold over $1,000 at $17.55 a piece. As you can see, you can make thousands of dollars selling these designs. Now that we know what is selling, we need to get started creating our own designs. And to generate these designs, we can use Leonardo AI. First thing you need to do is create an account with Leonardo AI. The process is pretty simple. Now, once you have signed up and created your account, you'll be taken to a page like this. What you want to do now is click on AI Image Generator. Then at the top, you can type in a prompt. So I'm going to give it my prompt to create a Star Wars design in 3D. Once I've created the prompt, then I'm going to hit generate, and it'll create a 3D Star Wars design of Darth Vader that I can use on my coffee mug, and I can go ahead and download it. Now that I have my design that I created in Leonardo AI, it's time to create my Printery store so that I can put my design onto the coffee mug I'm going to sell. Setting up an account with Printery is quick and simple. Just follow the steps to get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is go over to catalog. Then go to home and living. Here it will show you all the different coffee mugs they have that you can use to create your design on. I'm going to pick the black mug for this design. Once I click on that, then you want to hit start designing. Then you'll be taken to a page like this. Then you want to upload your AI generated image into Printery by clicking on my device. Find your image and upload it. Then you can click on preview to see what your design looks like on the coffee mug. This design looks pretty cool, so I'm going to stick with this one. So next you want to fill out the product description with the title. Then you want to set the price of your mug. As you can see, you can change it to whatever price you want. As long as you're making a good percentage from your sale, at least 40 to 50% is my suggestion when pricing your product. Now that we've priced our product, it's time to connect our store to TikTok Shop so that we can start selling on TikTok. Now, in order to do this, we need to click on My New Store, then Add a Store. Then it'll bring you to a page like this with a list of apps you can connect your store. You want to choose TikTok US. Then you can name your store, then click Connect. Then you have to agree with the terms, then click Connect. This allows you to authorize Printery to connect with your TikTok account. Click on North America, then click Next. Then you'll hit Confirm and Install. Once it's installed, you'll be able to see your products that you created on Printery in your TikTok shop. And now that you have your product created and have it connected to your TikTok shop, now's the time to start promoting it. So what you need to do is purchase this coffee mug you created. You'll only pay the original price of the product. So for this coffee mug, the total including shipping is only $13.11. Now once you have your product, you can start making short TikTok videos to promote your product and start making thousands a month just by creating short TikTok videos based around your product. Also with Printery, you can set up the feature to automatically process your orders. So once someone purchases your item, this means you don't have to do any shipping. Printery will do everything for you, putting your business on autopilot and allowing you to focus more on creating videos and getting more sales from TikTok. So that's it, guys. If you follow these steps, you can be generating thousands of dollars a month on autopilot with TikTok, print on demand, and AI. If you want to get started, I'll leave the links to all the websites in the description so you can get started today. Now, if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more ways to make money online using AI and other money-making opportunities, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.